Kerala is titled as God's own state. It's famous for its ecotourism, scenic beauty, and backwaters. Kerala exhibits its cultures uniquely, so their cultures are developed through accommodation and reform movements against caste discrimination. So this God's own state, being well versed in cultures, also do has a very good scope in martial arts too. Kalaripayattu, which is a blend of Dravidian culture and Indian as well, is well famous in this state. So nowadays these cultures seem to be forgotten, right? Isn't this cultures seeming to be dissipated? So let's bring back the divine and forgotten culture of this state. So now we, the students of Tagore House, are here to present to you and invoke the scenic atmosphere of divine state Kerala. So here we present to you the forgotten Kerala.
This is a remembrance. Many varieties of arts and sports formed all around the world when humans started living as social beings. The martial arts like Kalaripayat and the dance forms such as Kathakali, Theyyam, Ottantullal are not treated with respect now. Let's look back for a moment to our roots or our culture while running behind technologies. The Pananmar used to sing the stories and their musical instruments gave strength to their music. Kathakali, an art form inspired from Krishnanatam and Ramanatam, was a wonder to the people all around the world.
അടുത്തൊരമ്പലം വേണം, ആലിങ്ങു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം. കുളിപ്പാനായി കുളം വേണം, കുളത്തിൽ ചെതാമര വേണം. കുളിച്ചു ചെന്നകം പൂകാൻ ചന്ദനം വേണം. ആലായാൽ തറ വേണം, അടുത്തൊരമ്പലം വേണം, ആലിനു ചേർന്നൊരു കുളവും വേണം.
As the world changes, the stories are also being updated. The Western art forms with loud music and fast dance moves became inevitable to the new generation with no time on their clock. We should save and preserve, otherwise our culture will also be something that got lost in time.